The no key found error in 2021-2024 Chevy Suburbans happens because the vehicle's body control module, BCM, can't authenticate the key fob. This is usually due to a dead fob battery, signal interference, or a software glitch. Most commonly, it occurs when the key fob battery is low, below 2.5 volts, or dead. All 2021 to 2024 Suburbans come with a hidden physical key blade inside the fob. Keep this in mind for emergency access. The problem has seen a slight decline in reported cases post-2023 due to enhanced battery life. First, use the physical key blade hidden in your fob to manually unlock the door. Next, place the fob as close as possible to the start button. This allows the vehicle to try and detect the fob's signal. If this doesn't work, try cycling the ignition. For a long-term solution, replace the fob battery, typically a CR2450 or similar. GM also offers free reprogramming at dealerships. Important note: avoid unauthorized bypass methods, as they can void your warranty or compromise vehicle security.